increases the risk of stroke about 5 times. Symptoms like irregular heartbeat, heart racing. Visit NoTimeToWait.com. Sponsored by Bristol Myers Squibb and Pfizer.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.